wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey y'all, Shanine from the future. This vlog is kind of all over the place. I just realized I didn't even film an intro the first day, but because I was in a rush. I guess we're gonna call this a hair vlog because that's a majority of what this is, just coming to get my hair done with me. You guys seem to like the last time that I uploaded my hair appointment, so this is really what this one is, like a little dash of Friday. There was nothing for me to vlog on Sunday because I wasn't feeling well, so I pretty much slept the entire day, so that's why the end just kind of ends the way that it does. But yeah, if you're interested in watching me get a flexi rod set, then keep watching. So I am home. Here is a look at my hair in different lighting without the mask on. Just, it's giving bounce back once you listen. Anyway, if I hurry, you know, do my quick little no foundation makeup routine, I might be able to catch what's left of the sun so I can finish out a TikTok that I was filming of like this hair, going to get my hair done type thing, and another TikTok I wanted to film. Hopefully I can get that done. So I'm gonna go do that. Check back in with you then. But listen, side part, middle part, they do their part. They're doing what they have to do. Hello, happy Friday. It is afternoon. I've already filmed a video. I took a picture for Instagram and I just finished filming a TikTok. What do I have to do? I have to go edit everything that I just did because most of it is going up today. Then I have to give my apartment a quick little, you know, sweep. Okay, so here's the thing. I was supposed to binge watch You today. If you guys didn't know, You came back today. So I was supposed to binge watch the entire thing. I had like no plans, got everything in my mind done, right? But I wasn't expecting my hair to take as long as it did yesterday. So I didn't get to do any of the stuff that I was supposed to do yesterday. So I have to do that today. So I can't binge watch You today. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But today, everything I just said that I got done. Gotta go edit that. Then I have to give my apartment a quick little sweep over because Drea is coming over later and we are having a like Spaces Got Talent listening party. If you don't know what Spaces Got Talent is, the influencers and WTF and Makeup by Shania hold this like Spaces Got Talent, America's Got Talent type singing competition on Twitter. It is hilarious. If you have an account to tune into, it is hilarious. And because we don't have anything else to do tonight, you know, come over, pizza, food, all that good stuff, and just have a good night. And then tomorrow, I don't want to hear nothing from nobody, okay? I will be binge watching You. I do have a whole bunch of PR I need to get through, so maybe I'll do that later on if I finish editing in time. Or maybe, I don't want to do nothing tomorrow though, but I do want to get through the PR because like I need to put it away and figure out like what I'll be filming with, stuff like that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me. Yeah, yeah.